Want glowing, refreshed skin? Try this game-changing skincare hack. Oatmeal Glow. Scrub. Mix ground oatmeal with honey and yogurt for a gentle, nourishing, exfoliating scrub. Oatmeal buffs away dead skin, honey locks in moisture, and yogurt brightens your complexion, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. More exfoliation means clearer pores. More hydration means dewy, glowing skin. But here's the real secret. If your skincare routine doesn't include the right natural ingredients, how will your skin truly glow? Changed Skin uses 100% natural, skin-loving ingredients, handmade and perfect for all skin types, to keep your face hydrated, youthful, and radiant. Click the link, grab your skincare must-haves, and let's make your skin look and feel amazing. Follow and share for more DIY skincare hacks to keep your skin naturally beautiful.